Hello, today I'll show you how to make falling leaf effect in Scratch. As you can see, these are falling leaves, and if you have higher wind speeds, then more leaves fall, and also have a faster falling speed. So let's get started. First, delete the cat and paint a sprite. Name it Tree. Now, use the box tool. Make the fill a nice brown color. And the outline a darker brown color. Make it a good size. Now, use the reshape tool. Make the bottom wider and about the middle slightly curved like this to have a tree-like shape. After that, use the circle tool. Make sure there's no outline and make the fill a nice brown orange color like this. Use the reshape tool and mess around with the shape. Duplicate it, flip it horizontally, change the shape a bit, make it slightly darker, duplicate it, make it go back, change the shape a bit, and make it lighter. Now, after you're done with the tree, make sure that the size is about 100 times 120. And we select the whole tree. Make sure that this is about here. And if you have a longer tree trunk, make sure that this is still about here. Now, name this tree, duplicate it, then actually don't duplicate it, select this part, use the box tool, then use the reshape tool, place 2 points here, delete these 2 points, rotate it a bit, adjust points, now you have a nice leaf shape. Use the line tool, make it a darker color, create the line, use reshape tool to reshape it, then create the leaf. After that, delete the tree. Make this a good size. Place it in the middle. Then use the box tool, make sure there's no outline, no fill, and create a box around it. So then it can go off screen. Now, in the code, when green flag is clicked, create a new variable named wind for all sprites. Set wind to 1. Then point in direction 90. Go to back layer. Set size to 100. Create a new block named create tree. And then amount. Run without screen refresh. Then place in any number of trees you want. Now, repeat amount of tree. First show and switch costume to tree. Also, name this leaf. Now, in here, set size to pick random 80 to 110. Set X to pick random negative 200 to 200. Create a new variable, new block named find ground. Run without screen refresh. Now paint a new sprite named ground. Use the box tool. Make the fill a brown color. And make the outline a nice fall orange color. And make it a good size. Now, deform it in any way you want using the reshape tool, and then place it here. Now in here, when green flag is clicked, go to 0, 0. Now back in tree, place in find ground, then set Y to 180, repeat until touching ground, and then change Y by -1. And then after, change Y by -10. Then create a clone of myself and hide. Now, when I start as a clone and a if, now, if not, costume name contains leaf, then set rotation style to left and right, point in direction, pick random -1 to 1. Then a forever if equal sign equal 1, then round, pick random 1, 2, divide 50 divided by wind times 0.5. And now, switch costume to leaf, create a clone of myself, then switch costume back to tree. Now, down here, go to back layer, point in direction, negative, pick random -89 to 89. Then, set size to pick random 50 to 100. Move by size divided by 2.5. Create a new variable named X for the sprite only. Set X to 0. set rotation style to all around, and point in direction 90. Now, repeat until touching ground or touching edge. And then, after that, set x to x times 0.7. Change x by pick random negative 1.0 to 1.0 for decimals like this. And then also change x by wind divided by 10. Then change x by x and turn by x. Now change y by size divided by negative 100. Then if it touches the floor or edge, do a repeat 20, change ghost by 5, and if touching edge, change x by x, and then delete this clone. Now, if you test it, as you can see, trees will be here, and if you show wind, make it a slider. As you can see, the more wind, the more leaves. And if you want, you can make the backdrop, use the box tool, make the fill a gradient, and then here will be a light blue, and here will be a darker blue. Like this. Now if you test it, as you can see, nice scenery and nice falling leaves. Now you have a nice fall scenery. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day and happy Halloween.